Hello and welcome back to FTTV podcast. We are back again with another episode. I'm your host Ali, along with my fellow co-host Jawad. So let's get on to the next topic, and that is Manchester United. And Roy Keane recently said something. He said, as long as McTominay and Fred are as a double pivot at United, they will not win trophies. What is your take on it?
So I feel like Manchester United is in a limbo right now. They need to figure out what their project is. Because if they're to catch Manchester City, they don't have the squad to do that right now. So they need to know what their aims are. If they want to go for the Premier League title, they definitely need to add some squad depth into the players. And even their most creative midfielders as of right now, Bruno Fernandes, is kind of struggling. You haven't heard his headlines being made recently, though he has the third most goal contribution from his first 50 appearances in Premier League all time. He's been doing good, but as of late, he's nowhere to be seen, and that's where the difficulty comes in with United. A lot of the players go in and out of form, and that's where the struggle coming in is. So you need some squad depth to really take yourself to the next level. The most worrying part for United right now is the defense, which let them down again as they lost against Leicester City. That's where the problem is. Ferguson said, if you don't concede, you don't lose, right? So what's going on with there? They've got Harry Maguire, who's doing a good enough job, but is he really the answer? A lot of United fans are not for that, even though he is your captain. Sometimes he's struggling for form, right? And you cannot kick out your captain out of the starting lineup. So that's another conundrum that's facing Solskjaer at United. True. So that's my take. Who do you see coming in to fix these problems? Which people do you think you want transferred into United?
Well, if we see on the screen on the left-hand side, we see the current setup that Ole has deployed at Manchester United. McTominay and Fred play as a double pivot, as holding midfielders, and Bruno Fernandes offers that free role behind the attack, and he can create chances from there as well. On the left, Pogba has been deployed, surprisingly, instead of Martial, and that is a very good choice in my opinion, and has worked fantastically well for major part of the season. On the right, that is Greenwood's space, and Rashford is also deployed there. Rashford has obviously played more matches than Greenwood, and that is obviously given considering the experience of Rashford. I'm really confused by Sancho and Kane. Reports are linking Sancho and Kane both to United, but when you have offered Cavani a contract, obviously he needs to be involved next season because he signed the contract on the basis of the role he will be playing next season. And if Sancho comes in, where does Greenwood go? Where does Rashford go? Where does Martial go? Where does Cavani go? One or two of the players have to be benched. So that is something that Ole Gunnar Solskjaer needs to figure out. United need to prioritize a defensive signing rather than bringing in attackers. And now Harry Maguire is injured. He is doubtful for the Euros as well. And Lindelof, I think he's equally as useless as Martial, and they both need to go out. Pau Torres from Spain is linked with United. He's a very good defender, and I think they need one more defender as well instead of Tuan Zebe or Lindelof. And United need a central defensive midfielder as well. So instead of the players that have been linked with United, I think a defensive signing would be a good priority. And I want to ask you this: Locatelli, Ruben Neves, or Dennis Zakaria? Who is the perfect replacement for an aging Nemanja Matic?
I feel like Ruben Neves is the player, right? Specifically with the experience in Premier League, right? So that being said, you got the likes of Locatelli, who I've got a personal bias against him. So I really like him as a player. He is a great addition to any midfield if he was to join United, right? But I feel like he would struggle in Premier League specifically because of the pace, right? So that's why I feel like Ruben Neves is the answer to United's prayers. Now, on top of your second point, bringing in Kane, I feel like that would be a good enough addition, specifically for adding squad depth. Because let's be honest here, Martial hasn't been Martial for the last season or so, right? That's why they had to bring in Cavani. So Cavani has done a good enough job, but then you see what he's slowing down. Even though he has great instinct for goals, most of his goals are inside of the 5-yard box, right? Scoring headers, latching onto the last ball. So I feel like that's where the trouble for United is coming in. So Kane would be a good signing, along with any other forward who's got a young enough profile who can really link with the wingers playing for United, because I feel like they've got a lot of pace up front, and Cavani, he's a different type of player now than he was. So they need someone who's got pace up front. So that's definitely going to be a good addition. So I feel like United might
Makes
need to have
sense.
3 signings in this season, and their priority is always has to be a defensive signing, because look what happened to Liverpool when Van Dijk went out, right? So you need a
True.
good defender to back up, right? So with Maguire out, I doubt for Euros. Who knows what's going to happen, what his recovery is like. God be with him, and hope that he recovers soon. But I feel like a defensive signing for United is an absolute priority.
And before we close this topic up, I want a quick take on the front three for United. Bruno Fernandes has to start in the attacking midfield role, and Rashford, I think, is also a guarantee. So, out of Kane and Sancho, who do you pick, and what is the other two options on the right wing and striker that you want to see for United?
So I feel like right wing has to go to Greenwood. I don't see a new signing as a necessary mark in the right wing spot. It is the upfront where they might need to bring in a change. So Cavani and Kane interchangeable is what they need to look for. Again, because all big teams need to have great players, right? They need great players, and then they need a second team which also has full of great players. So because they need to be
Exactly.
competing on at least Premier League and Champions League, they want a deep run in there. United has Champions League in their blood. So they would need the likes of Cavani and someone like in the shadow of Kane, who can really support the finishing touches that they have to put in. What do you think?
Makes sense. I think Sancho should be avoided. Instead of bringing Sancho, Kane should be the star man at United, with Rashford from the left and Greenwood from the right hand side, Fernandes in behind, Pogba as a double pivot along with the new defensive signings, say Ruben Neves or Locatelli. That is the way to go for United, and that is a scary looking team.
It
Even as
is.
a United fan, I can see that team challenging for major trophies next season.